we will learn how to install Apache Tomcat. We go to tomcatapache.org website via Google, and at the download section click Tomcat 10, scroll down and click Windows Service Installer. It started downloading. Looks like it downloaded. Open the folders. I do unzip. Click on the Apache Tomcat installer. Click next. Click next. Should be okay. Click next. The connector port is 8080. That's fine. It's going to install in. Speaking of the JRE that was installed before, and the software is installing in program files Apache Foundation 10.0. Click install. It's installing. Run Apache Tomcat. New file. Run it that. Here you see the server got installed. It's already started. The Apache Tomcat is installed. Please subscribe.